the world of 3D printing, the Creality3D Ender 3 V2 has become a household name for enthusiasts and makers alike. Join us as we explore the fascinating history, technical specifications, and the world of modifications that have made this 3D printer a beloved workhorse in the 3D printing community. Our story begins in early 2010, when 3D printing was just starting to gain traction. Creality3D, a Chinese manufacturer, recognized the need for an affordable and user-friendly 3D printer. This realization laid the foundation for the Ender series. In 2016, Creality3D introduced the original Ender 3, a budget-friendly fused deposition modeling (FDM) 3D printer. It quickly gained a massive following for its simplicity and affordability. With the success of the Ender 3, Creality3D continued to innovate. The Ender 3 Pro and Ender 3 V2 soon followed, each bringing incremental improvements to the design and functionality. The Ender 3 V2, released in 2020, was a significant milestone. It featured a more stable frame, quieter operation, and an improved user interface. Its dimensions are approximately 475 by 475 by 620 millimeters, and it boasts a build volume of 220 by 220 by 250 millimeters. These upgrades made it a favorite among beginners and experienced users alike. What truly sets the Ender 3 V2 apart is its dedicated community. 3D printing enthusiasts worldwide came together to share knowledge, hacks, and modifications, pushing the limits of what the printer could do. The Ender 3 V2's open-source nature allowed users to tweak and customize the printer to their heart's content. This collaborative spirit helped elevate the Ender 3 V2 to new heights. Popular modifications include 1. Upgraded hotends. Many users opt for upgraded hotends to improve print quality and reliability. 2. Extruder upgrades. Upgrading the extruder can enhance filament feeding and reduce the risk of jams. 3. Bed leveling sensors. In addition to BLTouch and CRTouch, there are various bed leveling sensors available to simplify the calibration process. 4. Silent stepper motor drivers. Quieter operation is achieved by replacing the stock stepper motor drivers. 5. Enclosures. Enclosures improve temperature stability and protect prints from drafts. 6. Direct drive conversions. Some users convert the Ender 3 V2 to direct drive for better support of flexible filaments. The affordability and quality of the Ender 3 V2 democratized 3D printing, enabling schools, small businesses, and hobbyists to create prototypes, custom parts, and artistic creations without breaking the bank. Today, the Creality3D Ender 3 V2 remains a symbol of accessibility and innovation in the 3D printing world. Its enduring legacy showcases how a simple idea, a dedicated community, and a wide array of modifications can make groundbreaking technology accessible to all. In the ever-evolving landscape of 3D printing, the Creality3D Ender 3 V2 stands as a testament to the power of collaboration, affordability, and open-source principles. Its journey from a small workshop in China to the workshops of makers around the world is a story of progress and passion that continues to shape the world of 3D printing. Join us next time as we continue to explore the incredible stories behind the technologies that shape our world.